Where have you been?
Avoiding my dad.
Oh no, what happened now?
Oh, you're gonna love this. I wake up, the sun's shining, terrible terrors are singing on the rooftop. I saunter down to breakfast thinking all is right with the world, and I get...
Son, we need to talk.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
Okay, first of all, I don't sound like that. What is this character? And second, what is that thing you're doing with my shoulders? Yeah, okay, a truly flattering impersonation. Anyway, he goes,
You're the pride of Berk, son, and I couldn't be prouder.
Aw, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
when have I ever done that with my hands?
You just did.
Okay, just hold still. Very serious.